Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this MAC ALLISTER cordless screwdriver. It's got a handy little screwdriver. There's a serial number on that for you to look at. It's a 3.7 volt screwdriver. It has this cool twisty ability, so it can be like a regular screwdriver, or as I normally have it in the pistol grip. It also has a trigger lock if you push the driveway button there, either which way. Good reverse and forward. It also has torque settings, so it goes from 1 all the way up to max, which is quite powerful. You may have seen me use this in the number plate video. As you can see at the back there, this is number plate. I use this to attach the number plates to the car because it's got torque control, so you don't over tighten anything. Like I said, handy. It's got a quick release for the bit. Let me just grab a bit for you. There's a bit, and all you do is just pop it in like that, and it locks in place. And then to release the bit, all you have to do is just pull this down, and the bit comes out. They're all very handy. A couple of demonstrations to show you. Well, one demonstration to show you. So let's get into that now. So here we have a piece of wood. And you've seen this in a few of my other videos where I use this to demonstrate the screwing capabilities and stuff. So if we take the screwdriver now and we'll set it to about 5. And you can see there's no pre-drilled hole or anything here. I'm going to pop this in, make sure I'm going the right way. That's the wrong way. And that, once it reaches the desired tightness, it will start torquing out, but you can up the ante and get the screw all the way in if you need to. But normally, that took me by surprise, but as you can see, it's quite a handy little thing. Useful, quick, saves fatigue from constantly screwing. Sometimes when you're doing this, you're risking a hand to get tired, so it's quite handy if you're doing a lot of screws. Also, I forgot to mention the other part, it's got a little LED in it so you can see what you're screwing. So my final thoughts on the screwdriver. I find it a really handy little screwdriver to have. Useful. You can add extension to this end, so if you need to reach in deep. I haven't got anything with you, but you can. Again, the quick release is great, the little light is great. The ability to control how much torque you put on something. It's also got a battery indicator to show you how much life it's got left in it. Pretty robust. It also comes with a charger. It has got a little torch in the bottom here, but this one doesn't work that great if I'm honest. But overall, I'm really impressed with it. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.